Hi everyone, this is once again your Mark from Sri Lanka. Today I am really super excited to tell you something about soft skills. Come on, what is that soft skills? Yes, I am gonna be talking with you about the soft skills and how these soft skills can be achieved. Is that possible for us to achieve these soft skills, and so on and so forth. Are you excited? Come on, let's get started. Well, before we get to know what is the meaning of soft skills, come on, I have something special for you. Let's look at that. Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Please come on in.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. A very good morning. I have a family function at home. If you don't mind, can I take a leave, sir? Leave? No, I'm so sorry, Mr. Suresh. I remember last time you had taken the sufficient holidays for your Diwali, and I have record of you every leave that you have taken. I'm so sorry. Again and again I can't give you leave. I have a lot of work to be done, and I have given you time deadline to be done some of the works. I'm so sorry. Get lost from here. Well, we saw the tangible example of the conversation between the manager and the employee of the company, and that's all about soft skills. Well, soft skills are personal attributes that enable someone to interact effectively and harmoniously with other people. Soft skills include common sense, the ability to relate with other people, and the positive, flexible attitude. These also include the abilities such as communication, problem solving, stress management, critical thinking, organizational skills, so on and so forth. Perhaps you can ask me, can soft skills be developed? Well, soft skills can be developed by your own, because most of the time we escape from the situation. When we put ourselves into the situation or into the field, we can really learn most of the soft skills. Now, how to improve our soft skills? You may ask me. Well, I have some suggestions for you to improve your soft skills. What are they? Let's see. Be open to feedback, communicate often, emphasize teamwork, build positive relationships, step out from your comfort zone, get ready to learn, observe others, be prepared, take a leadership role, and arrive to work on time. Well, Mark, everything is fine, but it's very easy to give very many examples to others, but it's really difficult to be an example. Well, I agree with you 200%, but I firmly believe that there is nothing impossible for the people who have created by God. Come on, why don't we try it together? And if it works out, come back to my channel and come back to the video and write your comments below. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you like it, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.